building right there.
Okay.
Brownish building that I'm looking at halfway. She also ran in front of that middle finger building they have downtown Buffalo.
Good job, Sarah.
I always do monkey bars and they're so neat.
Huh?
I always do monkey bars.
Do it again. Do it again.
These are high, look. And now how I got up here is through this.
Yeah.
Daddy, look! Daddy! 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 You saw? Daddy! You saw?
Sarah.
Huh?
Sarah, you want to go to that one?
Huh?
There.
Good job, Ryan. I want to Careful, GoPro! Mama, push us, or Daddy.
No, you don't need to push him. You got the baby.
Wait. I'm gonna go hide him.
He's happy. Good job. Good job.
It's getting a hole in the handle. Whoa!
You know. But you don't even live here. Why you care?
Because we might come here again. Wonder why there's no people here and it's Buffalo. Usually Buffalo parks are packed, right?
Almost every park in Buffalo open, but not in Utica.
If we gave away this location, everybody would be here. All the people that go to Buffalo.
Where was it? It's the funnest park in the whole world.
Okay, sure. Yeah, the brothers, or just the baby and big kid swing.
It's a battery. The battery is dead.
It's got 25% still.
There's another one over there. The small babies.
You know what? Those are those ones over there are the old ones. Those ones were there since I was young. And I came here, when I came here as a kid. I don't know, it's hard to see on this camera here. There's two swings. There used to be a slide there too, but this part used to be a spinning wheel. And they had one more other fun thing, some bars, but that was about it back then. But that was all we needed back then, was a wheel and bars. And the swings over there, but now the park is way more updated with all kinds of cool stuff.
It would have been that way higher and funner and
What time is it? 6 o'clock? 6:30? I think it's 6:30. Maybe 6:30.
I don't know, but people are starting to go home, which means we're gonna have this all to ourselves pretty soon. Unlike in Buffalo, there's so many people there and they never go
I
home.
think they're closed at night.
At the other parks here in Buffalo. It's 6:52. You want to stay here until the sun goes down, Paul?
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff for us to do here.
I told you, Mama, I can't.
We have a lot of money. We should do all these things.
Have this all at home. We have a big yard. That's what I want to do. Really pick our favorite things.
Yeah, I want to get that one.
You're done? Are you done, Sita?
Yeah.
Well, you can't get off yet because I need Mama to watch the baby or something because I got all this stuff.
Oh. The baby likes it. Hi. Slow it down. Slow it down. Ah!
How are you gonna get in, Sita?
Let me in.
Other door, the other door. Okay, or that door.
Let me in. Just get in.
You gotta jump in while it's moving.
I need a slide. I can. Fine.
There you go.
It's raining parking. Hey, I'm the brake. And also I'm the brake right here.
There's no brakes. There's a stop.
That's the brake. In the
Okay,
middle.
Georgie, let's go. No brakes.
Ah.
You guys are heavier than us, I guess.
We're heavier than you guys.
I'm making it go down there.
She's
A whole bunch of kids can get on this thing.
I don't.
Huh?
Push me.
Push you.
Hard.
No, that's it. You want me to go in there? Ella.
Okay, I'll press it.
Oh, there it is.
I want to go in the spinny thing.
Your foot on your dress.
What?
You wouldn't move because your foot was on your dress. This is the conveyor belt they use at Walmart. You see how Georgia's moving? He's on the same one as me. That's why he's moving. I knew that would happen because this is how it works at Walmart.
No, he stay. Yeah.
See? Those things are at the beach, remember?
Yeah, it was cold.
Hey, go get the baby.
He's fine.
I know my butt feels good when I slide down.
Alright, go down.
Ah, my butt hurts.
Keep like Ditsy.
I'm just a